My name's Rob Winstel. I'm the Vice President of Technology for Perfection Group and handle all the technology needs throughout the entire organization. I think we've been with XOI for 4 years now, if my math is correct. So this is something we've been working on for a period of time, is to be able to bring our customers the information on their equipment to know where they stand, not just today, but as end of life approaches. You know, what do they have coming up for the next 5 years, to partner with them and to look at their assets in a budgetable manner. You know, I think having access to more of the end of life information has really helped us there, to be able to go to the customer and say, okay, 23% or whatever percentage of your equipment is approaching that 15-year ASHRAE life. To have that data for them in a fashion that they can easily look at it, digest it, and plan and budget. It helps you focus on customer relations and customer needs long-term, rather than just being reactive to what they want. I think it's just so big to be able to come to the customer proactively. And just seeing where it's come from the day we signed on to now, you know, what's going to be available in the future just seems amazing. It's been one of the most innovative companies I've ever worked with.